Welcome to Pasilyo Press. I'll show you around their new space. Welcome. This is our print studio. And on this wall, you can see our collection of fine art prints by Filipino and artists from Thailand in Cap Studio in Chiang Mai. So here's our workspace. This is our new gunning etching press from UK, and this is our flat filing cabinet from donation of Bobby Gopiao. So you can see we have so many drawers to put our papers and finished prints. And on this side, more prints by young artists, by young printmakers. And this is our Borlongan press, locally fabricated. So we can't wait to make new prints and have workshops, and hopefully we'll have an artist in residency soon in the future.